What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be talking about the K-swap. I know a lot of, well, actually I did say that I was gonna make a video talking about the K-swap, but I just haven't had the time because I've been doing so much stuff. But today I have some time and we could talk about the K-swap and a couple other things. But the main question I get a lot still is, when is my brother's K-swap happening? When are we doing the K-swap? When is it gonna be done? When he hasn't started? Pretty much all those questions. And today I will tell you guys the answer to that. But when we did go to the Opera Premium at Nima's garage last Saturday, I did pick up more parts for the K-swap, and I haven't really posted anything about it because I'm still missing like a lot more parts for it, but we're getting a lot more closer and we're not trying to rush this build. Like, we're not trying to put this in right away with, you know, just looking like we don't want it to. So we'd rather have all the parts readily available so we can slap it all on so it can look nice right when we finish it and start it up. The K-swap is currently chilling right here under my C-tier headlights in this tarp. Nothing has changed off of it. I still have to take off all the downspout hardware. And what is it called? On Saturday, we did pick up all this. So you're currently looking at, we have a mix of K-Tune, Coinbase, and we did buy some insane shaft axles for the swap, so we can make it a little bit more easier for us. And we are gonna be running 32mm axles or 32mm spindles. And yeah, it sucks because we're supposed to have more parts. We actually did order a lot more, but hybrid racing is like backward on a lot of things. So I haven't gotten my fuel rail yet, my hybrid racing shifter, what else? My shifter cables. There's a lot of things. We did buy a hybrid racing shifter, not the K-Tune, just cause. And this is currently what we have. So I guess I'll unbox smallest box to the biggest box. So we have some ASR lower radiator mounts. So we're gonna be running a full-size radiator. So we need this because on the E-case it doesn't have this, and this is a R6 radiator. And these are some K-Tune hoses for the R6 radiator that we're gonna be using. This right here is a really nice piece. I was actually happy that my brother decided to buy it. And I know a lot of people think that this is my build, like I'm doing it for my brother, but I am actually helping my brother out because he doesn't know too much about swaps or anything, and I'm still learning. So I'm pretty much telling him we should buy this, buy that. And of course, Joe over at Nima's garage, thank you very much, Joe, is always helping me out, figuring out what's best for the swap. So we do have a 17mm throttle body. I think we are gonna have to get the manifold poured out a little bit. I'm not too sure until we put it on. Most likely we will. The 17mm K-Tune, really nice piece. I think this is probably like one of the nicest pieces we bought. Minus the shifter that's gonna be coming in. So we have that. I decided to put you guys on tripod so it's a little bit easier to show you guys the stuff that we bought. I mean, you guys saw the throttle body, the hoses, and the little ASR radiator brackets. And this one right here is the upper cooling housing by K-Tune. And I think, yeah, one of the necks are in there. We're going with slip-on hoses. We're not going with AN hoses because my brother doesn't want to run it, so we're running slip-on hoses. So that's that. K-Tune makes really nice pieces. Oh, and that's the other portion. K-Tune makes really nice pieces for the swap, but we're not really sticking with all K-Tune. We're pretty much like mashing up parts together, mixing up parts. Like we're mixing up K-Tune and hybrid racing. And this right here is the thermostat housing. And a really nice piece. Really nice. I don't know how they package it up so tight that I can't put it back in. Like, what the hell? Come on, K-Tune. What the hell? They just, oh my god, y'all need a bigger box. Like, I can't even put it back. Axles. These are by Insane Shafts. Insane Shafts. We decided to go with Insane Shafts because I know a lot of people mess around with the axles a lot. You can't figure out which one works like properly on the car. So we decided to go with Insane Shafts on both ends. Yeah, just an axle. So yeah, and we still need to go get some spindles for the K-swap. Probably some like integral ones because we do have an integral subframe over there that we are gonna be using. So let me move this out of the way. The other nicest piece that we bought is this Coinbase full-size radiator for R6. Radiators always make a huge difference in a bay. I don't know. There's something about radiators. Oh shoot, there's the cat right there. Go get him, dog. Oh, don't kill him. Yeah, my dog is going ham with that cat right now. What up? Corner radiator. Full size for our sex. Really nice teeth. Wow, this is really nice. It's like polished up too. I could see that. We could polish it more too, but yeah, Hoyer rack for our sex. So that is the current situation with this. I know a lot of you guys wonder when the case swap is happening. We're not trying to rush it, we're trying to get all the parts in because we're trying to make this really nice. How I see it in building a car is, especially since I've done this one, my past 3, when I build a car, I want to be able to one-up myself, as in, I want to make it better than this car, so, or pretty much like my skills, I want to make it better. So this time we're going with all the quality parts at first, so we don't have to change it out later. So right when we put it in, that's what we're going to be running for the rest of the time, but we'll probably change like small things here and there. So that's one reason why it is taking a while for us to do the case swap. All we have for now for the case swap. But don't worry guys, we're actually gonna be doing it. It's just depends on parts. I say we have almost at least 70 to 80% of the parts already. I still have to get my mounts for the swap and a couple other things at the junkyard for it. I would have more parts to show you guys, but like I said, Highway Racing is kind of like backward on stuff, so we have to wait on that. We already have all that on order from Neema's Garage. So thank you very much, Joe, for helping me out with figuring out what parts to use and what radiator to use. That reminds me, I gotta buy a fan for that radiator and a couple things. So that is, that's what we have now for the case swap. Mine's the case swap, the hatch. I put it out in the sun yesterday. This thing looked amazing. So yeah, I'm actually gonna be taking this car up to Neema's Garage tomorrow to pick up some mirrors, because you guys see I don't have mirrors. I actually sold my Osaka JD mirrors. That is already shipped out. I just have to go up to Neema's Garage and pick up my mirrors and put it on and drive it back home. And what else? Okay, that's it for the hatch. But another good thing is having a garage, or when I'm chilling in the garage with my friends, one thing that I one thing that I want in here is a fridge. I drink a lot of drinks and soda, boba, beer, IPA, whatever. But I don't have a fridge in here, so I can't really stock anything in here for, you know, like when my friends come over, I always have to walk inside, get them water or anything. But I want to be able to go to Costco, buy like a 24 pack of Monster or something, put it into the fridge, and when they come here, grab a drink, man. It's all on me. So boom. Thank you very much to Davis over at NewAir. I did not know this company existed until they actually reached out to me and they're like, hey, I feel like one of these products will look good in your garage or something. So they offered me a shop fan or a fridge. Shop fan sounds really nice for a shop in a garage, but it doesn't really get hot here in San Diego. So I was like, nope. And then a fridge. Like, dude, a beverage cooler that fits 126 cans. Bro, I could go to Costco and put so much like soda, like I don't even know, put so much beer and soda in here. I'm gonna have a mix of, oh wait, and water, of course. Water is good for you guys. Huge shout out to Davis over there, and yeah, we're gonna crack this open, and I need to figure out where to put this, because this thing, I mean, it's not that big. There's the dimensions. I feel like I can squeeze it in right there, so push this toolbox over, push that one down a bit, and slide it in there in the middle. Hopefully, I probably have to open it and do some measurements. So thank you very much, Davis. Let me crack this open and see how big this is. So I kind of don't know what to expect right now. I mean, it is a fridge, but it'd be a cool addition for anyone's garage, honestly. Especially if your boys come through. Oh, it's not that heavy. Good. You're probably gonna have to resume this video when I figure out where to put it. Some time has passed, I cleaned up, I just have to throw that box away. But I did measurements and it will fit perfectly in between these two boxes. I want to put it right here, but I don't know, I don't know. I'm gonna move this over and put the fridge right in between the toolboxes so it blends right in because it's black, and get to plug it up, and gotta go buy some drinks and throw the drinks in there. All right, boys, with some garage moving toolboxes around. I don't know, it kind of feels weird. I might put some wood on top of this so you can use this as a countertop also, but yeah, it works. It's all plugged in. I just had to use some wood shims to like fix it because it's slightly crooked because of my garage. But yeah, it works. Super close to my toolbox, but it'll be perfect here. And you can turn it off. But besides that, yeah, it's cool. What's the highest you go? Oh my god, you go 7. I'd probably do 2. Yeah, it's starting to work. Let me see if I can show you guys. You can kind of see it. See, it's wet. That thing was so fast. It already like turned on, and it's turning to ice right now. So we're probably just gonna have it at 2. And cool thing is, if you don't want no one to jack your drinks, NewAir does offer a key. Very interesting key. It's not that fancy, but oh, there's a way to. What? Hello. Okay, so push it in, turn it. I think that's it, right? It locks, but I mean, whatever, you know. But it's cool. Everybody's welcome to get a drink. Leave it unlocked. Yeah, my mom's happy with it. So now I gotta put some, go buy some drinks and slap it in. Before I go buy some drinks for this, you can use the coupon code Tommy for 20% off on your order. The link will be down in the description box, so check it out. This is a really cool thing to have in the garage. It just needs drinks in it, so I'm gonna get a variety of drinks. Yeah, and I most likely will probably get some beer because you have beer bottles down here and raise this up a bit so it doesn't get in the way. That's cool. And all this would be cans, most likely. I don't know, probably have Coke. You have Sunkiss. Can't fuck with Sunkiss. Root beer, I don't know, but we'll figure it out. This thing is getting cold right now. You could kind of hear like purging or something. Yeah, it's turning to ice right now. But yeah, very cool. So thank you very much, Davis, over at NewAir. Check it out. Get one of these. Pretty cool. So thank you very much for sending it out. And in the next video, this thing will be full, completely full of drinks. And I can't wait. So I'll have to keep going to 7-Eleven and keep buying drinks because drinks there are pretty expensive. You can just buy a giant pack of 12 pack or whatever you want. So it's 4:03 right now. I'm just gonna torque my wheels down and get ready for the trip up to Nima's garage tomorrow. So another drive with no mirrors. Driving with no mirrors. I drove this yesterday with no mirrors and that thing sucked. I can't see shit, man. So gonna go pick up my mirrors up there and I'll be ready to roll. So stay tuned for that, guys. So peace out, don't sell it, just keep building. Stay tuned for the case swap. Stay tuned for more cans in this fridge.